So, guys, welcome to Teardown. So you're probably asking what this monstrosity is. This is, well, it's a car made of nitroglycerin. So, obviously, since, we have slow motion, we're gonna do a cool, like, slow motion explosion. So, that should be good enough. What? That did nothing. Oh no, there's a fire! There's a fire! Guys, everyone knows that giving the fire more ways to burn helps it stop. Ahem. Curse technique. Hollow purple. So, have you ever just felt like, picking up an entire fire truck and, slamming it into a building a couple times? Okay, what should I do next? Let's see. Coffee doesn't taste good. We're self-destructing. Goodbye, boys. Huh. No. I don't like put out the fire. And now that we've put out the fire, we're gonna turn off the alarm. Where's the alarm? Where's the alarm?
Attention.
Get rid of it.
An
We're
emergency
blowing up
has
the
been
alarm
reported.
system.
All occupants walk to the nearest exit. Do not use the elevator.
Is
Attention.
this the control system?
An emergency has been reported. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator.
Yeah. Oh, I turned it off. Nice. Bob, I swear, if you make a single noise, you would turn through that window. Shush. Be quiet. Okay? He's okay. Come here, Bob. We just need to take you up the stairs. We appear to have broken the stairs. No, Bob! Bob! So Bob and I made it successfully to the top of the place. Door close. I said door close. I said close. There. So, hold on, Bob. I just need to get a better look at you real quick. Let's do this. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay, so I put a couple people on here. No! I'm gonna save you, Big Tim. And now because of that front flip, the momentum will cause... Now because of that front flip, the momentum will cause this guy to survive. Now because of that momentum... Now because of the Because of the momentum, this guy survived. You see? He survived. And as you can see, because of the momentum, this guy No, I'll save you. Sir, you're gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. Because I got an ambulance for you. Oh, whoops, the ambulance got destroyed. Guess we need to call the police. Oh, there's a fire? Hold on. Oh no, guess we're gonna have to call. Oh, guess who we're gonna call? It's the Ghostbusters. We need to take him down. Yeah, obviously, this guy just committed tons of war crimes. Launch it. Yo, wait, what is that? Hey, they're trying to hit me with something?